Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete your pictures on OkCupid. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you would do is first of all go ahead access your OkCupid either on your mobile phone app, or you can access it from your Chrome browser, simply searching it okcupid.com, and you will land in over here in this kind of interface in the home section. Afterwards, we're going to go ahead, tap on your profile icon on top right corner. Let's say we want to delete pictures that we have attached. We're going to tap on your profile, and here we're going to find all of the pictures that we have added. Currently we only have this one particular picture. If you would like to delete it, we can first tap on this edit photos option, and now this will show us up. Go to this your photo option and upload. You can see I only have one photo, so if you go to your photo, you will find more. You can upload a picture, and it's this remove option. Once you tap on this remove option, tap on this delete, and your particular this picture that you have uploaded will be deleted from here, and you can go ahead upload the other ones from your gallery itself, or you can click it on the spot from your camera's permission. So this will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.